The planters. Hello and welcome to our video on how to become a successful blueberry grower. Blueberries are a popular and nutritious fruit that can be grown in a variety of climates. They are relatively easy to cultivate and can provide a substantial income for those who are willing to put in the time and effort. In this video, we will be discussing the steps you need to take to become a successful blueberry grower. Step 1. Research. The first step in becoming a successful blueberry grower is to research the fruit and the industry. You need to learn everything you can about blueberry varieties, their growth requirements, pests and diseases, and marketing strategies. A great place to start is by reading books, attending conferences, and joining online forums. Step 2. Site selection. Once you have gained some knowledge about blueberries, you need to find the right location to grow them. Blueberries require well-drained soil that is acidic with a pH of between 4.0 and 5.0. They also require full sunlight for at least 6 hours a day. Look for a site that has good air circulation and is free from frost pockets. Step 3. Preparation. Before you plant your blueberries, you need to prepare the soil. This involves removing any weeds, rocks, and debris, and amending the soil to make it acidic. You can do this by adding sulfur or organic matter like pine needles or peat moss. Step 4. Planting. Once the soil is prepared, it's time to plant your blueberries. You can purchase plants from a reputable nursery or propagate them yourself. Plant them in rows with about 5 to 6 feet between them, and 10 to 12 feet between rows. Make sure to water them regularly and mulch around them to retain moisture. Step 5. Maintenance. Once your blueberry plants are established, you need to maintain them. This involves pruning them in the winter to remove any dead or diseased wood and fertilizing them in the spring with a balanced fertilizer. You also need to protect them from pests and diseases, which can be done by applying organic or chemical controls. Step 6. Harvesting. Blueberries are typically ready for harvest in late spring to early summer, depending on the variety. You can either pick them by hand or use a mechanical harvester. Make sure to pick them when they are fully ripe, as this is when they have the most flavor and nutritional value. Step 7. Marketing. Finally, you need to market your blueberries to sell them. This can be done by selling them at farmers markets, to local grocery stores, or to wholesalers. You can also create value-added products like jams, jellies, and baked goods to sell. Conclusion. In conclusion, becoming a successful blueberry grower requires knowledge, hard work, and dedication. You need to research the fruit and the industry, find the right location, prepare the soil, plant the blueberries, maintain them, harvest them, and market them. If you follow these steps, you can have a successful blueberry farm and a profitable business. Thank you for watching, and good luck on your blueberry growing journey. Thanks for watching.